Duwani bakutwani. Duwani bakutwani nje. Ah, fethu. Fethu. I've never seen danger in my life, dog. Fethu. Oh, dog. Yeah, speed. How many a week? And when I fethu, in a week. And it's like, dog, wait, I'm not gonna lie to you. I enjoyed watching those streams and those clips and whatnot. But like, damn, fethu, that nigga made his celebs to look like regular people, dog. Like, fethu, he like funny, he celebs, people that we like follow it, we like, you know. Oh man, I'm the hero, yako, fethu. You mean the week? Oh, dog, shout out to the niggas for reaching out. Shout out. I can't wait. I don't love it. You know what I mean? I will lie to you, dog. I've never seen our celebs get humbled like that, dog. Why is content creators funny? Zine fans is a million. You are busy freaking. It's like, yeah, dog, crazy parties. It was where I stay. It was literally next door to the place where I literally reside. I'm a fuck, but I go away. Sometimes inhloni. Sometimes iba nendloni njam. You have been a week, fethu. Yo. That nigga treated SA celebrities just like they treat their fans, dog. Fethu bumayize kwani fethu. Fethu qitha ko. Khona part webhawuthi isibuza umniki mo fire. Futhi akafuna mo fire mina manzi. Ngoba mina mo fire wakho fethu. Fethu. Yo, dog. I feel as if just this whole stream has got speed. It's when you see that, man, there are levels to this game. Who are there levels, dog? It's good levels, fethu. The way you're celeb, the way you're famous, the way you're big. Are there levels to that shit, dog? Yo. Silenzi ixesha, fethu. You are Yo, what did I watch? Yo, Gaba ndibona iitshomi zam, Siv. Gaba Siv, boy. Bona inja zabo Bruce. Bro, ndikoba isepha poison. Hi, fethu. I don't like it, dog. That was the funniest shit I've ever seen, dog. You are not bad of it. I ain't like it. Let's try speed down in the week, mazita. You are fethu, mna. Personally, you are on the phone. You are too born worldwide, but poor. No vuma, but shout out to the bros, dog. As long as the niggas made content aware, fethu, get your money up, get your back grand, but you are fethu benze week, fethu benze week. Celebs zethu esizixabisileyo zenze week njalo. Kuthiwa qhuba sujonge ebheka mpho. Kuthiwa qhuba. Brother, qhoma lo mjita akabeswa nangudoba esefili these are A-list celebrities, bro, apha kule country. Kuthiwa jonga phambili. Konhleka fethu ezi clips. Benze week. Ikhona leya inja yami iphi. Iphi seklabhini inja yami. Ifuna ukudlala PlayStation. Kuthiwa fethu. Yefonini kwamantombazana. Yafuna kwamangazana udlala PlayStation. Fethu speed, fethu. Yo, Amazita. Akasiplaying efethu akasiplaying emadoda if only besiyazi beforehand siyiplaying kakuhle bawuzapha lo muntu siyenze ba iora yethu asimoshi manje hayi iora yona ni hey most niggas ayizimoshile or qoma hayi xobo le video qoma hayi ile out le look up to one of the niggas that were ngave go Robot Boy begrandi bone u2 omateki begrandi Nota begrandi hayi fethu pha ncokona namu no jijisibu begrandi naye vekisa nje yo fethu abanye you abethwe le phansi you abethwe flat yo fethu speed tu thathwa ngaphambili you fethu. Though you can't treat our A-list celebrities like that, bro. These are people we look up to, literally now. The heroes here to face, the idols here to face. You touch on Pambi. Yo. I want to performance, I am. Yo, I want to performance. Yo, I want to laugh. Come on, face, I'm going to speed. Yo, ngapho nota baqalile yo nota yo. Awu ngomhlekisi la, you guys made my fucking year, bro. Unyaka seqala, you guys have made my year. Yo. Nama guys in the Eastern Cape nje. Jones Eastern Cape ngokunya uspeed even if it's been such Jones nje yabona nendo ikayo ngamehlo fethu. Dawu ngamehlo laway fethu. Ulula ke xa ku life. Bandiye pha fethu. Lo manje tibukele ngabantu abayi-1,000 and something hundreds of their ngapha abantu bazoclipha ngapha uzotraina for ikaka no phone no ngani bezofota nje buyback banako speed Victorize nje bana khona le nigga abhodwa manje ndiyophola kwam amazita ithenga ipetrol ayithenga ipetrol namhlanje manje atrevishile bro. Gentlemen. You are basically talk guy. You are Mazita. You are Feto. I'm not gonna lie to you, dog. I've never seen our celebs like dog. Like I live in this country. I'm from this country. I know all of our celebrities. Like most of them, I look up to them because I grew up born. Mazita Feto. Feto is vulnerable. Mazita my Feto bazoriska all. We're risking it all in jail for baseball and speed, yo, speed. Do you know what's your name in Zulu? I was value. You why? I don't like I'm not first. You and I you are first. I want to laugh. I know my face. There's a celeb, there's a face to say it is. You are face. No, like I had a good. It was yesterday. I'm trying to watch like I'm not the face. Why influencers here to face to zenza face to eat little boys. You don't have a look all slow, but yo. No kusayibambile ora yakho fethu ngicela ngifuna ezinye ora deplete fethu osonwabile ngifuni ora zabo deplete mashita ngisasibasela plus ezinye negazi yohaba vele bazideplitisa mashita xa King Oma uzizamile ubhayana ubhay uziredemile anqama nonja yami yo yini inja yami fethu ima nigga dog yo ngabekumayiza phakathi 20v1 ndiqamba yo boy ungaphina uthethe yiba you are baby so queer yo. Oh my God, you are betu. Tu wanangalahi. Tu hanja yamungazi futhi moshi ora yakho nje for temporal clouds. Bazokukhumbuza qoba kaloku. Kaloku wena buleqenye out eJozi wena ufuna ufota naye. Yo hayi fethu manje yasazi na personally fethu mna fethu umna bro nje yami yoyika fethu nakube lapho Chris Brown I love his music manzi yana no yapha fethu mina uthunele enye indoda na hazo mamela befonini no client befonini afuna udibana naye fethu ndothini kwe hayi You was on the cover. She, hey, yo, Speed. Yo, Speed. I walk low on Unjayam windows. I can cry. And yo, Speed. Oh, shit. You when is a week is in the prize? You are this week is it? Oh, I don't follow what I am. Yo, see, I wish I have. Oh, you walk on the laugh, on buildings in lab. I fit in my colon, guys. When the kittens, I'm kittens as a kai. When the wardrobe back on 1965, because the wardrobe like that. When I can put it in like jam, I was a kai up. I fit the corners way. This is my young one. If it's a kai up. Ooh, Mazidani appear years and years later, bra. Gents, like this is a message to all celebrities and content creators, influencers. No, it's a matter of we look up to you. That's boy now back sending phone drop on in a different caliber. So pela way pela hype you know back say now heroes it but angabi kunest see if it but this is in the price this but yo do you know what your name in Zulu you I face kind of scenes do I figure celebs abanyani do I figure celebs abanyani and sounds veza and speed to post steal guys speed to post steal go check out the video he posted for the comments you are much the camera is club isanga don't tell you your name is Kanya now what you for no price I buy you yo, your South African name is Monges, you know. IT, no problem. The late generational aura gone. Masita, you have never known anything you put deal and you can eat practice a little bit years. But shout out to y'all, though. Shout out to y'all. Like, all in all, like, the life is not for me to, like, I'm not trolling niggas. I genuinely enjoyed Ubugela's stream. It was really nice watching all that shit, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it was the most entertaining shit I've ever watched in a while. Like, it'd be entertaining. Because what speed them Bugela, Mama, is bangladesh. It's a grand. It's a bang. It's a figure, it's a bag, like, country. To city, figures and it was from a car, fast quick, as miles, flight fast. How we spend the money like I'm done for a bon speed. How we spend the shame King my friends, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, funny. Get the King of my ballet, some way back this way, funny. A band Gezella, and I have conjang, I'm like 17 final 20v1, what not. What yeah? Yeah, faith to speed up Kumulik one. Big say was a cover now. I guess you and come back, say, I'm just a cabisang about influencers. We love these niggas, bro. But like I thought, all night to you, it was a nice stream to watch. Shout out to all the niggas, bro. Shout out to all the niggas. Shout out to Bingo Banama's Dampa, Kill Pro, Soul Save for King Omar. Yeah, those are the niggas that I. Or EB. Shout out to EB. Shout out to One Point New Jimmy Bonnie Lepa. Didn't want any para ability 3 months ago. By my name. But like, shout out to the bros. Yo, shout out to the bros. Yo, shout out to the bros. Yo, I feel the much of them later. I'm just like Spanish petrol. Eating petrol, feto. You are eating petrol, Mazita. You are feto. You are eating petrol. Do you worse than what I am? You worse than what I am? You eating. Yo, I feel to take petrol is I have you need to petrol. Yo, I niggas, I feel as if a lot of niggas were saving up just for a bonnet chap. But now I won't lie to you, it would have been dope. Shout out to him. Yo, I didn't like to see the prize. You guys made my whole entire year and for no attack. Yo, celebs it is weak and you are my Italian. You are a week. You is a week of speed, boy. You reminds a way. You know what I'm crying away back self. We already know to come back. We know tell Ijaya Don't do Nota like that, bro. Dog. I will see if it's see if I am. You I too, boy. You are and I am Dr. Handa, I am forever. But you are and I too. You are, was it? You are, prize. You are. I want to later. As soon as the speed leaves this country, I say, clock. You know, there's a clock, prize. I say, you are, Majida, this crazy. Funeka sithethe for real. Funeka sixoxe fethu kubekho ibhotile, nikhuphe ibhotile zenu. Umuntu uthi commando. Kuma ibhotile fethu. Hawu xoxa boy, usithi kwenzeke ntoni fethu? Yho, fethu. Yho, moshe ora yakho nje. Oh. Yho. You like country? Yo, dog, I literally had the best day in a while, bro. Like, I was enjoying this content that I was seeing on my timeline. Like, it makes me laugh, too, and it makes me happy at the same time. But fuck, firstly, ilapa lena, and it's a matter of, yo, bro, people are getting to see the person that they watch all the time. Shout out, you know. It's a great thing to see, especially as a big child is born. But yo, send a picture and your cousin, and he took a picture with Speed. My shit, good in. Shout out to you. You know, you ask it and from stream and but no, shout out to you, boys. Motivation, you know, yeah, even the niggas, for the celebs, you are celebs, yo. I say celebs. Let's just talk about this, bro. Yo, how much is that? Yo. And I laugh it, bro. Best stream ever there, brother. I feel as if that's the best stream I've ever watched, bro. And I watch streams when I have nothing to do. It's a Komani, bro, in Eastern Cape, in the Bundas, you know. Of course, I'm gonna be watching is in those Zala, just to pass by time, dog. Yo, let me watch the sport, dog. Yo, I know if it's pop-ups and Road Boy, they held it down. Now they managed to keep their cool because Gabon Afeto, they've been around, they've seen people, they know how to like have a grand. Shout out to them. You know, DJ Spoo he was chilled. Background DJ Spoo. Background. Not I was just being Nota. Background Nota. Background. Who else did I see in the stream? Shout out to SK, the artist motherfucker. Nah, little better like glass artwork. Background nah, glass stream. I made the compose now. I go away. Jay Ngongo Jay Grand Bonnie. Because I'm back say yo no Jay Ngongo. I know shout out to everybody actually everybody that's from this country that I know. Shout out to them, bro. Like I imagine that you guys made the stream like for real. Yo ni lachile no and lachesa pra nitini. Oh your new South African name is Mongays. What you face? Yeah, the boy never cred. How DJ Spoo is smart, bro. DJ Spoo is here, though. More fire. Whether Speed took that more fire or he didn't. Manam, elagama to more fire. Laziwa global. So abantu that are watching that stream by bonile more fire bavanga. But let me think some more fire Bob Marley. I mean, Bob Marley. You know what I mean? Shout out to DJ Spoo. Whether he took it or he didn't take it, you know. Yeah, that's what I answer. Yo, anangalahe fethu mna. Yo, awusenze week celebs zethu Speed fethu. Kanza and into bangoko mazita. Ngaphinda ngiact njenge-celebs ukuthi nizo celebs ukuthi ngoku sinibonile baninjani. Sinibone baninjani phambi kwe-celebs zamanyane nino. Ngonina nabanje. Sinibhaqile nabantu banjani nge-celebs zamanyane. Ningaphinde ni-acting ngalezi-celebs ba yo. Bathi asizoniphaphela anymore ba siyazofuna pictures. Wasibonile. Yo, Speed. Yo, can I tell you something? Speed, can I tell you? Yo. yebo. Yo, mna abantu akabuyanga tu. Yo, speed, yeah, chill, chat. Yo, try chill. Do what chill on ya. Yo, dog. Okwambele inzini, qamanzi, anayihleki. Yo, anayihleki nje yami na bra, inehlekisayo. Yo, anqoma yini. Fethu ngiyikheleba. You have it to come. Yo, most of the niggas as la crane namhlanje. You see if I la crane. You guys la crane, you see. You guys la crane. It's my nightmares. Do I? You see if I la crane. Yo, I was la crane. Fethu mna I'm see ve. Bye, I was la crane. Ngizophupa kabi nje yami. Yo, ngabulala. After 2 days, busela nje yami. Yo, uqhatha amatshwala. Yo, I was la crane. Yo, reach the right to fethu. Yo, you good, yo, speed, yo. But no, I'm proud of my bro. I know I'm kangincame boy. You am na meza ncamas bek. Bengazuyana kuya you soza. Beyond it being another man. Nah, go speed fethu. Like if ngambona wena ungaphambana self uzichamela. I'm going to bike say you're going crazy for another man. Go speed fethu. As entertainer lamjita fethu. Like I don't care who's watching this live video. You've seen Speed like on your timeline. You've scrolled, and if you, I don't know whether you enjoy the video of his or you haven't, but nah, I've laughed at a lot of videos got Speed. So whether it's another man or another woman, but it's another man or woman that entertains like the entire world. So for me, it's like yo, even if you are facing like oh, how can I put it? And Basilegi that way, like and Basilega that way. Because what am I gonna say to bro? Because what said Joseph, it's quite celebs there too, and his papeli that way. Show much if I meet up with a person I know, let's say about MT. No, some salute MT because no fit. You got me to the most since 2015. I've been listening to your shit. Joke salute and jam. Took shia, but first bit boozer questions back say. If that one about alcohol occupied, so I go if occupied the band has been figured out, yo. But like, that stream was really entertaining, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It was fucking entertaining. And I feel as if the Joburg one was more entertaining than the Cape Town one. Yeah, there's a Joburg be entertaining, that way, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, Khalilani, I ain't like Ben Schlega fethu. Hlekile fethu, you know, bro. Hlekile, bro. Because today was a good day, as he says. Yo, blah. Oh. Guys, I'm kunwanga, guys. I'm not high, I'm just tired. It's been a long day. It's been a long day, man. It's been a long day. But yeah, fuck, bro. What time did I wake up today? I think I woke up at like 6. Time now. Watch time is literally late, but the time now is like 11. And I still want to watch Stranger Things, but yo. Bengalaboni out, Ibrahim, in my life. I want no King Omar. You have to put respect on that nigga for real. Shit. Heinz, I want my friend to in life. You have to be a King Omar. Ask me why. You gotta be a King Omar for specific reasons. Never be willing to take an L, my boy. But chairplace husband the charter like clock. You know, like Cape Town be Ellen's and Manjan and Jam. When I was in Sweden, I'm so longest. More shit, more shit, order to be built up for me, Brian. More shit like this. If it, yo, speed, 21, bro. You have to join that, we cut. Yes, Valley. Be like King Omar, bro. I'm just don't decide about the title L. In time to the flight, it was. Mkhangela, umfumana, inner circle. Lapha kule taxi, emva kwakhe. Ngaze back fethu, nenze week like apha wena. Nenze week nje. No speed out. Khumbula kwalogaga but nje I was redeemed. I was redeemile fethu, all honesty. Shout out to the bro. Why your eyes red except so fethu? Funa mehla mbezana abe yellow. Yo, anahleke bra man. Phela enzeni. Yo, ndaphela enzeni ke mna ke bra. Nihlekisile bra. Ke nifundisa so speed mo fire niphambene. Ndadlala. Ikhaskabane ndiqhibileyo ndiyazi. Yela na caps fethu mna. Ke nifundisa so speed mo fire. Yo, singayiseli nathi. Yo. Hayi mfethu. Akanangathethi nje. Yela singayiseli nathi. Yo, nifundisa so speed. Yo. Ndimbona phini simbuma koloni. Ndimbona phini sesibeleni fethu. Sesibeleni na fethu. Ndimbona phi uspeed. Ko speed kuku sqway. Kwenye groepman yethu ngita sqway. Ngita sqway. Yo bra. It's not that fast bra. Qha yathanda utya ngesqway. Yo. Yo dasqway. Efonini nina. Imenzana uspeed. Imenzana uspeed. Yo dasqway. Yo. Yo. I know. I enjoy my day, bro. Fuck, dog. Shout out. I know, shout out. Thina mehlo anje groepman. Go to them soon. Guys, this was like the best day in like a while, but like it was so nice. Like him being in a place where like it was it's like the part I didn't the bully reality show. I don't know, man. It just I felt like I was like just there. It was really nice, bro. But the island now. Ever? Yo, I know it was really fun, bro. Yo, but I don't etta. You guys in the fun. Why your eyes red? Because they were not supposed to be purple. Miss Ban. Switch off the lights. Are you baked? Yeah, baked. Was it baked? No. Oh. Oh. I'm not in jam. Yo. Do I Mazita? Do I first 3 levels, yeah, first level. Yo. 3 levels, level. Yo. Akasazi sonke lo mjita bro. Akhona lento wathi yo. Tu akasazi sonke nqa. Sizi-celebs apha qha. Tu afethu. Tu akwazi kwamntu. Kwamntu. Akwazi kwamntu. Yo hayi bafethu. Tu akazi kwamntu phela mjita fethu. He didn't know a single fucking person, bro. Single celebrity, single influencer. I'm like, fuck. Yeah, we need to work harder, man. That's this bullshit. Yo. So who are you? Yo, that time umkhulu kanjani lekhanda. Yo, apha. Yo. Yeah, mind you, say Phil is in another country now. He's already forgotten every single person he's met up with. Like, it's not even a matter of people that he met up with a week. When you've traveled the world and you met up with hundreds of thousands of people. Abantu abakwi-country one, South Africa, fethu, in Africa. Ngiyangithola kanjani? Yo, fethu, sekwenye country. Yeah, kwenye country. What do a speed joke skit? A what? Doing a speed joke skit, fethu? Lord Snow. Would you try and get a promo from him? A promo and only fethu. I'm thinking a promo, Bram. Fethu. content in this like I'm not doing the same. He's not in the same career field as I am. Like he's a streamer. So for me to, it would make sense if Speed made up with Sonabile. Like that was the main thing that I was rooting for. I was like, yo, ngase Sonabile, ngase Speed at the band of Sonabile, nganya Hotshot Aaron. Who's another streamer that I fucks with? Well, King Omar's also a streamer. Opinionated, and then yeah, let me just say Sonabile kanye Hotshot Aaron. Suppose about dibane nabantu fethu bakuse. Suppose bafethu yonke le beyiplaniwe suppose udibana nabantu who do the same thing as him, so that aba bantu that do the same thing as him can be uplifted by him bakuse fethu. Kwi-streams kaSonwabile he's meeting up with the Speed, you know, because at the same time poste kuSonwabile no Speed uyaposteka naye in his own way, but most important thing kuposte kuSonwabile, the South African streamer. Suppose by below April. Suppose back la quantum that Speed was in. KuSonwabile fethu. Even when he went to Capstar, suppose about the man ngosemandebele back fethu. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm not making sense, but for me it makes a lot of sense because they're doing the same thing. It's the same. They streamers, you know, and you can learn a lot just from young chillers with this big streamer, this huge streamer. You know, I mean, tips back fethu at APNC. And even just from that stream, just says he's handled by yo follow at Sonwabile Live on Twitch. You know, I don't know. That's just my 2 cents. I feel as if it would have been dope if la Quandam they call Sonwabile, Hotshot Aaron or someone like streamer, bro. But I feel as if they just mixed him up with just random people, bro. Just random people, bro. Random people. But yeah, those random people, and but it's a matter of let's give it to really feel that I'm different. You know? We're just random people, bro. Like I feel as if whoever was in charge of that whole tour up the country, whoever was his manager or whoever was managing Yongela way up South Africa back say, okay, he must go with this. These are the people that must be in his crew. These are the places that he must go to. These are the people that he's going to meet up with. This is where he's staying. This is what he's doing. A, B, and C. Suppose by okay, cool. Okay, cool. These are the people that do this same line of work as you. So how about we mix you two? I mean, all of you guys into one we just mix all of you guys together. Number no ngefethu. When bethi stream sak, bethi sak. Yavaya. Bonela we let's say fethu, for example, fethu Quandam fethu Speed, fethu Sonwabile. Abekhona no Save fethu, Bruce no banibani fethu, bekho no Robert Boya wemhoja, social media person, abekhona no King Omar. Bekho abantu fethu qomba yeah. Ngithola kanjani? And yeah, it's been so young, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's me though, bro. One if it's really different, you know. Yo. I feel as if that was gonna be really dope, bro. Speed only did a 20v1 with the Sidemen. I'm good. I'm good, bro. What's up? He doesn't link with streamers. Yeah, watch. I just got here. Is Unc good? What do you mean is Unc good? No, nobody be. Who's it? Speed should meet Ghost Ruby. Yeah, I even know Ghost. You know, that works too. It's a band of it. It's just random people, bro. Just like random people, like just random people. Come on. What? Come back, say not to figure that out, not. You had it, come back, say not to figure that out. But like, shout out, bro. Like, but so fucking random, bro. Feelings and that's so weird. I feel sorry for Omar. No, Fetu, what do you mean you feel sorry for the brood? Okay, and Omar Fetu, he redeemed himself, bro. I was watching that shit. Yeah, I sound like a fanboy myself. For Shemdi, fan. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna act like Mjitando and Mlandela Mjita. I watch these things. Like for real. I follow him. Hey, yeah, bro. Since 2022. Okay, lache sana bro. It is coming. Yeah, that was mad confusing. Not that they be confusing. That lineup was really confusing. I'm like, what? What? On pop-ups? Come on, wow, that's just, it's a random. I'm not saying the people themselves they were never supposed to be there, but I'm just saying how it was all like put together. Like it's random. Nota. Titis boo. Hela la Grootman in Nimbundo. Call Grootman the fat ass on King Squads. Yeah, the Buddha with the fat ass. Hey, funny ngapa go bontle. Yeah, ngapa robot boy. King Omar. Hey, no save. Alaba no save. Oh, Bruce. Hey, ngapa. The artist. Hey, ngapa bamsekasi. Yela face was just like scattered, bro. It was just random. So random. Yo, panilachile in the park. Nilagisile nina bro. Camera. Speed should also come to Eastern Cape, East London. Angayenzi on the speed. Ncede wangazi, Chotweni. Ncede wangazi, Eastern Cape. Uzothina up your speed. Yaphi. Yaphi. Oh, ndabona abantu come to Eastern Cape. Uzothina up. Uze kubani. Uzothi apha. Ncede wangayi bra. Ancede bathi Cape Town and Joburg. The two best cities in the country. Cape Town, Joburg. Vai. When you can't at the two best cities. Eastern Cape. Bezofika thina apha eshow speed. Uyaphi Hemingways? Uzeyaphi? Zebuhlanti uyaphi? Yaphi yewindmill? Nimsapho speed emdantsane. Ezo speed emdantsane usemcimbini pha. Duneso speed emgidini. Duha mashit. Ncede wangazi Eastern Cape speed. Uzoyaphi bra? Uzebhayi. Ephi eBoardwalk. Yeah, eGoston. Hayi mfethu. He's doing wonders for the image of Africa as a whole, regardless of where he at. Asinamnqona image mfethu thina sesigrand. Asidingi. Yazi thina as Africa asibadingi laba abantu mfethu. Like thina asibadingi abantu for uba sibe afuna unothисwa. Zange safuna unothисwa thina. Asinamsebenzi nonothисwa thina bra. Afuna ubhaqwa ngabo. Sigrand since mfethu because now we know. Firstly, as South Africa, sigrand nje thina mfethu. In our own person, we good, bro. You know, happy and quite celebs into grand ngabo kwabona sigrand mfethu thina mfethu. Like I don't know why people think that just because one person that you see on your phone when they come over to the country, now the country is all of a sudden better than it was before because all one band came through. Pamen. Komntu osuke kwenye indawo ozofika apha mfethu azotshintsha. Konetshintsekayo mfethu qanini. Nicinga sishota ngabo nina. That's the one thing about you guys. Your wife, ngoba kufika Chris Brown. Hayi can't they shut it down yonke. Mfethu sometimes no Chris mfethu. Basothe utsho ba kuntswemba but just because there's no Chris Brown. Kingoku. Mashita. You guys praise is Chep too much. You never praise that too much. I mean, you treat them as gods. As much as Ntswemba as Chep. Mna mfethu if ndibana namjita benzodibana nayo. Awe show mocha. Divaya qhubulani yom. Sendifocuse kwenye into ndibe no-speed. Shut up. Happy lo moment and then ndibe grand. You abantu mfethu. People spend thousands, but uyawubona umjita. Thousands. Manje ngoJanuwari bra. Sanoqala unyaka mfethu. Abanye abantu abakapeyi. Abanye abantu bebesave imali ngoko bakuse. Hayi bro. Hayi bro. Yo. guys, stop hating, bruh. People got motion and it's okay. I'm getting in the comment. People are showing love, chill, bro. Nobody is hating. As in, you guys, not trying to mistake facts for hate. When a person is saying facts, they're not hating. Because this whole life, I wanted to good about this whole situation. I didn't say to Nina, ngiyathanda fethu. Yho, hayi isigaga nestraight ngathi fethu asigaga. Yho, ngale fethu lo muntu fethu akachamayo like, yo, Brack feel country all of a sudden. Because this blue was like, yo, now people will respect this country more just because we figure I'm just the one. No, chief. I'm not even judging people for doing whatever they do whatever. But I'm just saying in general, people comments about accept it ever since you came to this country. Now people will view South Africa different. Oh, people speed change the perspective of how people view South Africa. Hi, guys. What do you mean? What do you mean he's gonna change the perspective of how people see this country? How do you see this country when now find peace is true? He's an influencer after all. Relax, Nashon. Relax, Njayam. Relax, Njayam. Sibayela we come to hate time. If I from Bugeli live, I'm saying Bugela fit. You know, I'm talking to my people. I don't even know who you are, Joe. Uzofika uzothetha. Uspeed fit akakwanokwazi akazude ngosi. Akazutsho tu. Relax. Relax. Something called a conversation. Can you mean it when you try and make friends or have friends or one there's something called conversations? Just talking about your God, you know? Relax, bro. Relax. But yeah, Preto, for me, personally, if I wasn't Josie, I was gonna make my way down there. Do you want to let you? My biggest fear, you are, you know, but we access like a lot of people like doing the same thing, like a lot of people, like a group of people, like yo. And you walking each other like yo, you are I was a device, babe. Yo, you are I was a vibe. You was a vibe. Tuyimazile la chap. Yo, ay. When you're born in no speed, born in Indian. Some people thought Africa didn't have any supermarket, so he changed some mindset. If it's hey mindset abanye bantu na wena. That's the one thing I'll never understand abantu. When Indian hey mindset, there's something called the internet. If near by South Africa engine, if it's gonna pack Google search South Africa. Who search Cape Town, search Johannesburg. Because it's not like Fetu, they don't know about this country, Fetu. Because even before Brewer came through, it's like Fetu. There's something called the internet. If you want to know about a country, you look it up, bro. You know? You look it up. You know, even social media. Now, social media is the future, you know. It takes a simple scroll and you see a video that's trending. Like, cool, born about, okay, South Africa. You born about South Africa. You don't need to say, I don't like when people glaze too much, but you change other people's mindsets. Relax, bro. For them to, for one person to change the mindset abantu, it's not that. That's my question. That's my question. He doesn't change the image. He exposes a bit of the reality. Guys, relax, Fetu. Because even before the Bru came to this country, he always knew this country is beautiful, bro. Because he did research. Even with Zaki, he'd actually have like he'd be streaming a Bugeli video or TikTok of South Africa, Cape Town, whatnot. He'd see about, oh shit, this is South Africa. He saw it before back there. Oh, it's actually a beautiful place. It's not a jungle as they perceive it to be. You know what I mean? If Veto, he changed people's mindsets. Some citizens mindsets about you know. It's always one case that get mad. You're mad about what? Abantu, I feel as if people that are watching here, I might understand the conversation. Like, I follow this. I literally said, I follow this nigga. If you're watching the live from the beginning, I literally said, I follow this nigga. I watch his streams. I was even watching the stream because I enjoy watching the content. I enjoyed seeing my friends there. It's a conversation. Ubona ngathi kuyancokolwa. Kuyancokolwa nje ngibomamela. Kuyancokolwa. Relax. You know? We need the broke Luteke back. Who said I was ever broke? What if it's Besoga family rich? They see their favorite celeb or influencer there and will show interest. But like, yeah, Fetu. Don't get me twisted, Fetu. I enjoy that live. I enjoyed watching Mjita Fetu. And in the reason about Abana, the one thing about people is that they never want to see or hear facts about their favorites. If the facts, Fetu, but sometimes inqoko lethetha and the facts. Man, no, bro, stop hating. It's just, relax, bro, relax. But unceda wangazi Eastern Cape wethu buzophakwa kanye apha fethu. Yo, unceda wangazi Eastern Cape. Yo, unceda wangazi bra. Yo, thank God I didn't come to Eastern Cape. Yo, speed. Yo. Except, Sinalo Phil and Mano Miles. You make my day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, unceda wangazi Eastern Cape. Wabona abantu bathi, yo, come to KZN. Come to Eastern Cape. Unceda wangayi fethu. Because uzoyithola tsek KZN, tsek Eastern Cape. To KZN also. Unceda wangazi bra. In Cape Town at Joburg. Yeah, it's grand. Yo. But at the same time, do you think it's good for tourism or not? Nah, it is. It is good for tourism. But tourism, and then the lima. But the one thing that I wanted, Feto, from him coming to this country is him to network with people who do the same thing as he does in this country. That's what I wanted. Uplift the mashita feta better better, Yeah, that's what I wanted, bro. I was hoping Buffett and that's the benefit as niggas la blah. No sauce, no save, no bros. Kakuhle fethu in a nice setup, in a nice environment. I want to accept it. Yeah. I feel as if that was gonna be dope for me. Like, Jay, it's one. Divine niggas as labs push out the same thing I push out. It's motivating niggas back say it's rich great talents, do the most. That's what I was wishing for. And at the same time, I wanted to see my favorite celebs. That's what I paid an essay to meet up with Speed. Yeah, that was a bit dope, bro. Your MT. I want an MT to be there, bro. For real. I'm trying to. Oh, bro, like, I'm not gonna lie. Abekumnandi fethu. Uthini mje to see water is polluted in KZN. Mbohlamba. Yo, fethu. Ngifuna MT epha. Yo, big we hustler nje yam. MT the hustler. Yo, ufika ushebe shit mhlambe hayi. Dladla. Manje ndidlala guys. Ngingamameli yonke le bendiyithethayo. You started watching Speed now. It really shows. Yo, betheni. It really shows by when ucinga uSpeed ichomi yakho. Sometimes ninodwa banefoni mina apha elizweni. Yo, you only started watching Speed now. Ekuthini permanently nje uSpeed akazudingosa ayobest friend yakho ayogazini yakho uSpeed sanganakhula nonke eyadini akwanokwazi ubuthethe ngathi fethu uzothi bayazi unyanisile relax ninodwa banefoni manje apha fethu elizweni relax. We also have phones, bro. We also have timelines. We have TikTok. We have Instagram. The same videos you see are the same videos we'll see too. That's why there are so many likes on that video, because not just like you, Panjayam. It's my forward. It's my forward. The guys who also speed for standing up for him. Of course, I've been watching that, bro. That chap. I go Instagram, mom, and check the people that I follow. One Muslim Park speed. Why would I follow him now? Like, what would be the interest? Like for real, why would I start following Omjitango, Basilek and Woku? You know, I'm not a person that gets excited like that. Relax and I am. Kayo Speed, Mnafeto, I enjoy both niggas. Kaisanet is more entertaining because, okay, now I'm gonna put it like this now. Kaisanet, man, he streams. I love his streams like Kaisanet because of like he always has like random guests. You know, we variety about no abatanda pa. You know, for me personally, I fucks with Ray. I fucks with Ray. I fucks with Reggie. You know, so it's like, especially like Mafiathon, like yo, that was. I wouldn't watch it all the time because I was busy every now and then. But like when I get the chance, I'd watch a few clips. I'm a fuck. This nigga's entertaining. So for me, and then the speed he rolls solo and he's a nigga that just does his own thing, goes around. So ndingathi and Okai lately he's just serious too much, man. Okai. I feel as if the one thing that makes his streams are the guests. Like he guests Zaki, that they are just hilarious. Or Kevin Hart or Drewski. You know, all those niggas, well, they're the ones that keep it together. He's just become too serious. But Speed has been himself forever. So he makes me laugh. A one man. So if we're going for individuality back, say if I'm going alone, Speed versus Kai, I'd watch Speed. You know, if Kukabandu guests, I'd watch Kai. Because yeah, Kai always has the dope my favorite guest. Like I love watching Kevin Hart, no Truski, no Ray, no Reggie. Bona mazita. We variety njam. I don't know why people are worried about Amehlo. Like, yeah, my eyes are fucked. I don't know why he topic left it. Spadala, I imagine. And I go like, yo, bro, it's Jade. Oh, relax. You funny, bro. You white boy, relax, bro. Y'all see like those type of niggas, the class scene whereby you go to class and then you'd find one of your niggas is high and then you'd make sure by your chambisa to show relax. Relax, bro. Badala nje yam. Badala fethu. After what Speed did today, he showed that he had more emotion than Kai. And like with Speed Fethu, he's very influential, bro. Speed is very, very influential. It's a matter of, oh, bruh, he does IRLs. Like, he doesn't just chill and shoot and like run a stream. No, he goes out there. He goes out there. Ella Speed actually goes out there and meets up with the people that follow him. Like, literally goes to their countries. So, of course, Fetos, you're going to be dominant when you do that, bro. Like, what do you mean? But we can't follow bruh. What? Of course, now, even there are people that didn't know you at the time that are going to want to know you and they're going to want to stream and watch your shit because when they're like, oh, fuck, this random bro just came to my country and then the streets were flooded with motherfuckers. That's how Feto, that's how Lamjita Feto, he's just dominating Feto. Do you ever check his subscribers? Every single second sometimes most of the time you know what I mean? Talking about out. I show speed. Away, yo, subscribe, comment, yo. So of course you're gonna have more motion going when you go out there and actually meet up with the people. Because you can't sing hanga fethu. Hela bro, Bora have a baby with speed. I must have a baby with speed. Why so? You hope I don't go bald. That time I thought you were crying. Yo, guys, I'm Anje Feto. Like, it's something that people need to get used to if you want to watch my videos. I'm not gonna bald, bro. Unless the Lord wants me to bald. I need to cut my hair, bro. I think I'm balding. Bro, you balder. I feel as if I'd start balding, I'm one person and the mind about bald. Bendiyityani fethu iyoluka ngawo yacheba inwele zayo, and I still looked fire, dog. You know, so it's like, yo, fethu, if I go bald, to be like Jan fethu icheba inwele zayo, be bald. You know. But I need to find a way again that's going to make me. You are so sick. You are so sick. Namajita Bajaze ngo force collaboration no speed. Whereas umjita akazilanga londo. The thing is, if it's I wouldn't say niggas really fucked up, but it's like, dog, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Lama funny. You know, because it's not a matter of speed is only there for 4 hours, your stream. He's there the whole fucking day. And wow, he's there the whole fucking day. And so he's there the whole day, and it's like, dude, after this stream, I don't mind. If you have phone, I'm gonna be away now, bro. But bro, I wouldn't really say. No, but for all we know, he probably did shoot content with the niggas after the live was done, you know? So I'm shoot your shot. Me, I don't blame the niggas for doing what they. I don't blame any of the niggas, bro. Shoot your shot. And this is like show speed at the end of the day. It's in the chaplain. It's in the bro. We can't blame them for trying. Yeah, Fetu. But at the same time, you are na Fetu. Boom, benzo yiga, benzo tin lamjit. Okumnando yiga kwa icelebs zethu. Nje speed. Ndiqala phi. Yo, speed, bro. Yo, speed. I'm Luteke. Whoo! Two. You are. Do you go pork up, you are. You got fit to pork. No, I'm afraid, bro. I feel as if I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. I know my grand. You know, like people are clipping me. I'm training. My own motherfuckers are saying, yo, Luteke has no motion. And now emotion, kakahate, ijan, why would I be in emotion? No line, no motion. I got as a podcast, I'm just as a little band. Party fit to that's literally that's their job. That means that they did a great job. They did a great job. They did a great job, because your only job is to secure, like, make sure by Lomjita, because it's a matter of if niggas, because dog, the thing is, one at speed, one, hundreds of people are just trying to, you know. So of course, take money, you know, let the nigga walk, bro. Because get pushanwa, yo, gapa bando, you know. So you gotta make sure about safe from the. I'm not fair, so you back in Joburg. Nah. As you can see, this is not my background, bro. I'm at home, bro. You don't see Goku. There's no Goku there. I'm at home. You know, the Kaya, bro. I miss my place for real, bro. They'll come my pay on my 66. 65. Please check on Civ, bro. I know. Nana Mikran. I ain't even fun to bonus speed. I don't know what I have podcast. And I mean that's yung tawag namhlanje. That's yung Lucas Raps. Come yo, this made my day. Come yo, Lucas Raps. Me if it's I fucks with the people I fucks with. Especially the musicians, bro. Yo, man. I love South African musicians. I think I don't have a single song. Number Z3 or Z4 in Goma that I have of international artists. The only artists I listen to are our artists from piano to hip hop to. I really want to collab with you, man. Speed is unnecessary aura, let's be honest. If it's necessary, la aura feto. Because he ain't saying bra. I'm just like it doesn't make sense because we ain't saying la aura lamjita feto, and it's a matter of even as call la aura feto if that nigga was just doing just regular streams, yeah, feto. If he wasn't this person that he is, but he made it like that by deciding, you know what, I'm going to each country, I'm seeing everybody, and I'm telling y'all, I'm doing this. So obviously, as a person that sees this bro, how he ends it, or I'm just it is never. Ngadiwangazi Eastern Cape, ngadiwangazi iwa apha bezomkhuthuza phambana. I promise you. Ngadiwangazi fethu bezoclever. Just joking, but ngadiwangazi bra. Bro, speed usemondi. Uthini umuntu speed? Uyakubani pa? Yo, speed usemtanzania eNewton. Uthini pa? Hayi, ngadiwangazi fethu. Yo, don't speed usekomani. Yo, we just made up the speed in Manzana. Manzana? Don't speed is men's. What? No, so what was that? So what was that, fam? Look Cactus TV. It's crazy, bro. But look Cactus TV. The one thing I would in Shigasa was this other hand that went live, dog. She's like, yo, her man was walking with her. Obviously, you know, they were walking together. No, they were driving, I think. This bro was driving. And then this bro saw actual speed, like around. So I'm just like, back in motor, pull my feet, little speed. Cool. Yes, I was shaking the idea, Uti. So I'm with my man's regular days driving, we going back home or whatnot. And then bro sees like a crowd of people shouting speed, speed, speed. Oprah just parked the car, stepped out and ran to go take a picture of speed. Yo, skoba bra. Yo. I'm lahle na unjalo. I don't need permission. I'm lahle. Yo, yeah. Yo, utwamana, oh yeah, utwamana. Feto, woman, a pillar of strength. Do a pillar of strength that the speed. I don't understand if we're walking, but even if we're walking, bro, just walk at a fast pace. So baleka. So baleka out here, little speed. But you made me laugh, because this hand is literally on the like she's live, and I don't know how I entered that live. No, it's because she was pretty. I was like, who's this hand? Yo, fethu uthi bravo lapho emotweni isithixo akasikhuphe lokukhupha, didn't even take out the keys, stepped out of the car, let go speed. You are, yeah. Uthini okay vlog? I saw you esibileni. Ya nje mhlala apha fethu sekhaya apha esibileni. This is my domain. Domain yakithi. Uthini lighting imbili yapha. Hayi. Thini lighting imbili ubuyi. Boah. Yo, I'm a zita. I know I can't wait to get back to the city so to get a chance, but price poor. Or depleted. But I feel as if it was worth it. I'm not doing it, you know. It was worth it, bro. It was worth it. Talks of Figo Banwano. Which other celebs said they coming through to South Africa? Because I watch a lot of streamers. On Marlon, No Lacey, and UTDG. UTDG amoyanga la UTDG. Nonchalant. Amathanda abantu abanonchalant fethu. Abesisibhanqa. Me, I love idiots, bro. Nonchalant too much, bro. I'm from the nonchalant fethu. Vele be serious for now. I mean, if I see you, can you do the voice? Kholale bra yozela lewe. The fact that you're not sozela means ngifuna ukubukela. You wanna watch a sleepy bro? Because if it's ungashayi ngabukela fethu. Yo, yes. What a day, bro. Yeah, guys. Anyways, let me leave and love y'all. Later on, jam. Bye bye.